Go straight on here, I guess.
Yes, that is correct. The glow plug igniter goes straight on there. There is no remote adapter on this. Hello viewers and subscribers. In this video I'll be test running this OS91 Surpass 2 engine on my used Goldberg Super Chipmunk kit. So earlier I crashed this plane near a power line and the plane broke in half, but I've got the whole fuselage back together now. And we're just gonna test run this engine in this video and see how it does before I start flying it again. Yeah, when I go about half throttle, it seems like the engine wants to die or something. I don't know. Yeah.
Better now?
Looks like it. Oh yeah, I forgot to get the tachometer out.
We're not going to do that. I'll go wide in a minute.
Okay. At least the fuselage is still holding on pretty good.
Dying or what?
No.
Okay.
Looks like it's not dying. I wonder if we had it too rich for this temperature, humidity. Okay, there it kind of looked like it wanted to die.
Go ahead and kill it.
Just kill it. Alrighty. Hope you viewers, subscribers enjoy the OS91 Surpass 2 test run video on this Goldberg Super Chipmunk with Shrek in the cockpit, which I call Shrekmunk. And as you see with the engine run and multiple rounds of trying to run full throttle, that the fuselage is still intact and everything. So it looks like this plane's ready for flying. And wish me good luck on flying this plane again. Thank you.